Hello, my name is Jonah, and today we're going to teach you all about the unit circle, me and Mark. So, in this presentation, we'll be talking about what the unit circle is, the history of the unit circle, and how to find the points and the important angles on the unit circle. Then we'll also talk about the converting to radians and how to calculate radian. And
the history of the unit circle. So first of all, there is no one person who has taken credits for inventing the unit circle. The idea of the unit circle has existed for so long, there is no way to know who discovered the concept. It was used by Indian, Greek, and Arabic mathematicians in the ancient times. Pythagoras, a Greek philosopher, mathematician, did lots of works related to the unit circle. And also, Babylonian astronomers kept details of stars, motion of the planets, and solar and lunar eclipse.
well, right now we're going to teach you how to draw a unit circle and tell you the important parts and points of the unit circle. First, we're going to draw the x-axis. Then we're going to draw the y-axis. Just going from top to bottom. Now, the unit circle, unit means one. So you have to draw 1 point, 1 point, 1 point, 1 point each. You'll mark it. So a circle is 360 degrees. So going from around, you start here. This would be 0 degrees. And your kind of halfway is 90 degrees. Halfway is 180. And here will be 270. And you go back and be 360. You have 3 important angles. So you have angle 30, 45, and 60. For every angle on the unit circle, you'll have 3 important points. So you'll have there, there, and here. So to find these points, to remember these points, you have to put over 2, over 2, over 2, over 2. And to find the cosine, which is the x, so 1, 2, 3, down. For the y, you go 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, up. And you'll put a root sign over 2 and 3. And the pattern is the same for the other side. Instead, you just flip it. So you have but for the other side, the x will be negative and the y will be positive. An easy way to remember this is by simply remembering ASTC, because all students take calculus. So for A, you would see that all points will be positive, and for S, sign will be negative. Sign will be positive. So sign stands for equals to y, it's the y point, and cosine is the x point. So t will be for tangent, and tangent will be negative. Well, tangent will be positive, so all sides are negative, all points are negative. And for c, it's cosine, so cosine equals to x. So the x point will be positive. So this would be the actual unit circle we're going to mark for you guys. So here, the 300 degrees. And for the points you just flip from this side down, downwards. So you have over 2, 2, over 2, over 2. You have negative, you have 1 here. So basically it's 3, 2, 1 for x. 3, 2, 1 up. So for tangent, because only tangent is positive, so all points are negative. So just mark all points are negative. For cosine, it would be same 2 points. And then so you'll flip from this part down. Same thing as flipping this side. So you have over 2, over 2, over 2. And 1, 2, 3 come. And you'll have 1, 2, 3 down. Just mark root signs. Because it's cosine, so cosine will be positive, which is the x. So your y is negative. For 0 and 90, the points right here, here and here, will be 1, 0, and 0, 1. For 180, it will be negative 1, 0. For 270, it will be 0, negative 1. 360, it'll be 122. Hello, we are going to now teach you about how to convert from degree mode to radian mode and from radian mode back to degree mode. So in order to convert from degree mode to radian mode, you have to times it by pi over 180 or 2 pi over 360 if you like big numbers. And for those who don't believe me, we'll give you a live example to show you that both will result in the same answer. So we're going to choose a random point. I'm going to say 225. I want to times it by 180, pi over 180, and that will give us, okay, I got the answer, 5 pi over 4. Now, we're going to use 2 pi over 360. That will give us the exact same answer. Magical. Very magical. And now we will convert back to degree mode. So we had 5 pi over 4. And you want to change it back, so then you just flip the numbers. So 180 over pi. Cross one that out. You get that, and you get 225. Amazing. It's very amazing. Math is magical. And right now, I want you to try an example by yourself to see if you can calculate. Try to change it into radian mode. So I'm going to give you a random point. 120. Are you ready? Okay. Now we're going to times that by 1 pi over 180. That will give us 2 pi over 3. Now I want you to erase that and convert it back to degree mode. So I want you to take 2 pi over 3 and convert it back to degree mode. So what are you going to times it by? You're going to times it by 180 over pi, or 360 over 2 pi, depending on what you like. Cross out pi's, cross out 3, take 160, and you end up with the magical 120.